What is AI? AI or artificial intelligence is nothing but making computer-based machines think and act like humans. Artificial intelligence is not a new term. John McCarthy, a computer scientist, coined the term artificial intelligence back in 1956, but it took time to evolve as it demanded heavy computing power. Artificial intelligence is not confined to just movie recommendations and virtual assistants. Broadly classifying, there are three types of AI. Artificial narrow intelligence, also called weak AI, is the stage where machines can perform a specific task. Netflix, Siri, chatbots, and spatial recommendation systems are all examples of artificial narrow intelligence. Next up, we have artificial general intelligence, referred to as an intelligent agent's capacity to comprehend or pick up any intellectual skill that a human can. IBM's Watson supercomputer and ChatGPT fall under this category. And lastly, artificial superintelligence. It is the stage where machines surpass human intelligence. You might have seen this in movies and imagined how the world would be if machines occupied. Fascinated by this, John did more research and found out that machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing are all connected with artificial intelligence. Machine learning, a subset of AI, is the process of automating and enhancing how computers learn from their experiences without human help. Machine learning can be used in email spam detection, medical diagnosis, etc. Deep learning can be considered a subset of machine learning. It's a field that is based on learning and improving on its own by examining computer algorithms. While machine learning uses simpler concepts, deep learning works with artificial neural networks, which are designed to imitate the human brain. This technology can be applied in face recognition, speech recognition, and many more applications. Natural language processing, popularly known as NLP, can be defined as the ability of machines to learn human language and translate it. Chatbots fall under this category. Artificial intelligence is advancing in every crucial field like healthcare, education, robotics, banking, e-commerce, and the list goes on. Like in healthcare, AI is used to identify diseases, helping healthcare service providers and their patients make better treatment and lifestyle decisions. Coming to the education sector, AI is helping teachers automate grading, organizing, and facilitating parent-guardian conversations. In robotics, AI-powered robots employ real-time updates to detect obstructions in their paths and instantaneously design their routes. Artificial intelligence provides advanced data analytics that is transforming banking by reducing fraud and enhancing compliance. With this growing demand for AI, more and more industries are looking for AI engineers and offer them lucrative salaries. Hello, and welcome to this lecture on Midjourney. I'm excited to guide you through the basics of this powerful tool. Midjourney is an innovative AI-driven platform designed to enhance your creative projects through powerful image generation capabilities. Whether you're a digital artist, a marketer, or simply someone looking to explore the possibilities of AI in art, Midjourney offers a suite of tools to help you bring your ideas to life. Using advanced machine learning algorithms, Midjourney can generate stunning images from simple text prompts, allowing users to create unique visuals without extensive technical knowledge. The platform leverages the power of AI to understand and interpret your input, producing results that can range from realistic to abstract, depending on your needs. In this lecture, we'll cover the fundamentals of using Midjourney. We'll start by exploring the user interface, then move on to creating your first project. And finally, we'll discuss some tips and tricks. By the end of this lecture, you will have a solid understanding of how to use Midjourney to enhance your creative projects. Before we dive in, let's outline the steps we'll cover in this series. We have a total of 8 levels. spread across 2 sessions and packed with valuable insights and practical examples. Understanding the origins and evolution of this platform will give you a solid foundation and appreciation for its capabilities. Why Midjourney? Midjourney is designed to be user-friendly, making it accessible to both professionals and hobbyists. Users simply input descriptive text, and the AI generates corresponding images. Cheap price. One of the standout features of Midjourney is its affordability. Let's explore the different subscription plans and what each one offers. Subscription plans. Midjourney provides a variety of subscription plans to fit different needs and budgets. Free plan. This plan gives you 25 free jobs, but it's important to note that these do not renew. It's a great way to get a feel for what Midjourney can do without any commitment. Basic plan. This plan allows direct messaging with the bot. You can easily subscribe to this plan by using the subscribe command in Discord. Standard plan offers additional features and more capabilities. Pro plan, designed for professional users who need enhanced features. Mega plan, the most comprehensive plan, including all features available. History of Midjourney. Let's take a brief look at the history of Midjourney to understand its evolution. V1, the first model released on February 2022, which served more as a teaser with limited quality. When Midjourney first launched, it offered basic text-to-image generation capabilities. The results were interesting, but they often lacked detail and clarity. Let's start with an example prompt from this early version. Example prompt: a futuristic city at sunset, tall skyscrapers, flying cars. In version 1, this prompt might generate a cityscape with some recognizable elements, like tall buildings and a glowing sky. However, the details could be quite vague, with flying cars looking more like blobs than defined vehicles, and the overall image quality being somewhat low. The AI's understanding of complex scenes was limited, leading to images that were more abstract than realistic. V2. This version brought more realistic and detailed art generation capabilities. With the release of version 2, Midjourney saw significant improvements in image clarity and detail. The AI was better at understanding and rendering complex scenes, and the output quality took a noticeable leap forward. Example prompt: a futuristic city at sunset, tall skyscrapers, flying cars. In version 2, the same prompt would produce a much clearer and more detailed cityscape. You'd start to see more defined structures, with skyscrapers appearing more realistic and flying cars being distinguishable from other elements. The lighting effects would also be more sophisticated, capturing the essence of a sunset more vividly. V3. Significant improvements in lighting and shadows made the images more lifelike. V3. Artistic quality and precision. By version 3, Midjourney had become a tool for creating art with a higher level of precision. The AI's ability to interpret complex prompts improved, allowing users to generate images that were not only detailed, but also carried a strong artistic flair. Example prompt: a futuristic city at sunset, tall skyscrapers, flying cars, vibrant neon lights. In version 3, the addition of vibrant neon lights to the prompt would result in a cityscape that bursts with color and atmosphere. The AI would interpret the lighting in a way that adds depth and vibrancy to the image, making the scene more dynamic and visually striking. The level of detail in the buildings and vehicles will be even more refined, reflecting the continued advancements in the AI's capabilities. V4. This was a game changer, offering the highest quality at the time, and the ability to handle complex subjects like logos and websites. V4, the modern era. Version 4 brought Midjourney to its current state, where it's capable of producing images with stunning realism and artistic quality. The AI's understanding of both simple and complex prompts has reached a new height, allowing for the creation of images that are not only visually impressive, but also highly detailed and contextually accurate. Example prompt: a futuristic city at sunset, tall skyscrapers, flying cars, vibrant neon lights, bustling streets. In version 4, the AI would generate an image that feels almost like a snapshot from a movie. The bustling streets would be filled with activity, the neon lights would glow in intensity, and the overall scene would have a cinematic quality to it. The advancements in AI have made it possible to create images that are not just a representation of a concept, but are also imbued with life and motion. V5. Enhance the sense of realism in the generated images. Example prompt: a futuristic city at sunset, tall skyscrapers, flying cars, vibrant neon lights, bustling streets. V6. Improved prompt accuracy for longer inputs, better coherence and knowledge, and advanced image prompting and remixing capabilities. Example prompt: a futuristic city at sunset, tall skyscrapers, flying cars, vibrant neon lights, bustling streets. Getting started with Midjourney. To start using Midjourney, you will need to follow a few steps. First, download Discord. Midjourney is integrated into Discord, so the first step is to download Discord from discord.com. Second, log into Discord. Once installed, log in using your Discord account. If you don't have any Discord account, you should sign up. Third, using Midjourney in Discord. There are 3 primary ways to use Midjourney within Discord, each with its own pros and cons. Go to discord.com and sign up for an account and make sure you verify your email address. Once you're done with that, log into Discord and head over to midjourney.com. Use the sign in button on the bottom right corner, which should automatically ask you to link your Discord account. Once you logged in, then this pop-up menu will show up. Click Join Midjourney. I'll just click this. Now you can see there is Midjourney icon here. For now, we need to sign up for a subscription. To subscribe a plan, type /subscribe and down below. Then press enter twice. Now click this Manage Account. Then this tab will open for you. Third, using Midjourney in Discord. There are 3 primary ways to use Midjourney within Discord, each with its own pros and cons. You can also start Midjourney by using its official server. The pros of using Midjourney's official server is that you can start using Midjourney without the need to create your own server. There's a community to help you if you run into issues, and you can get inspiration from other users' prompts. The con is your creation can quickly get lost in the high volume of images generated by other users. Direct messaging with Midjourney bot. I recommend you to use this method. The pros of this method is that your chat is private with only your images being displayed. And the cons is that there's limited direct support if you encounter problems. I will cover everything from generating basic photos, expanding your canvas, the imprinting and remixing features to get the perfect images, and all the other features in Midjourney. The last way of using Midjourney is by creating your own channel and adding Midjourney bot, and I highly recommend this method. The pros of using this method is that you can collaborate with partners and share images in a private space. Now let me explain how to do this step by step. Click the plus icon on the left side of Discord and create your own server. Choose for me and my friends and enter the details. Then press create. Once the server is created, click the arrow icon on the left side and choose App Directory. Search for Midjourney. Click on Midjourney bot. And then press Add to Server. Select your server and click Continue. Now you can use Midjourney within your server. We are all set up. Now let's start generating AI images inside a direct message with a Midjourney bot. At the bottom, we'll enter a description of what we want the AI to generate. This is called prompting. First of all, type /imagine, which is the command to enter a prompt, and press spacebar. Inside the prompt box, let's go with photo of a girl with short hair. And press enter. The Midjourney automatically generates a grid of 4 different images based on your prompt. Usually this goes by pretty quickly, less than 30 seconds. These images will be randomly generated each time. Once it's done, we can zoom in on the image grid by clicking on it. When images are generated, from the left is the first image, second image, third image, and fourth image. If you're happy with the image, choose a picture you like and upscale the image. I like the first image, so I will click the U1 button. And now you can download the image by clicking right side of your mouse. And click the Save Image button. Settings. Midjourney offers a variety of settings to enhance your experience. Default model version. Choose which version of the model you want to use. Modes. Raw mode, which allows for image generation with shorter, more natural prompts. Stylize. Adjust how strongly the training is applied to each image. Public mode. Stores or generated images in the Midjourney community showcase. Remix mode lets you change the prompt and model versions after generating an image. Variation mode contours the differences among the 4 images generated. Now there are 3 types of speed mode. Turbo mode is the fastest mode, consuming the most GPU time. Fast mode is slower than turbo, but consumes less GPU time. Relax mode is the slowest, but does not consume GPU time. Prompt. Creating a well-structured prompt is crucial for getting the best results. Prompts can be sentences, phrases, words, letters, emojis. The fewer words you include, the more influence they have on your image. Buttons. Midjourney provides several buttons to interact with your generated images. In this section, we'll dive into the various buttons you can use to interact with your generated images in Midjourney. Understanding these features will help you make the most out of your creations. U1 to U4. Upscale the image with the corresponding number. Each of these buttons corresponds to one of the 4 images that Midjourney generates for you. U1 upscales the first image. U2 upscales the second image. U3 upscales the third image. U4 upscales the fourth image. When you click on one of these buttons, Midjourney enhances the selected image, increasing its resolution and detail. This is useful when you've found an image you like and want a higher quality version of it. If you didn't set up any settings, when you click these types of buttons, this pop-up menu will not show up. To make this pop-up menu to show up, you need to go to Settings by typing /settings and turn on this remix mode. Now this pop-up menu will show up when you click the buttons. And in this pop-up menu, you can edit the prompts. Reload emoji. Generate images with the same prompt or add additional prompts. The Reload emoji button is another powerful feature. When you click this button, Midjourney regenerates new images using the same prompt you initially provided. This is particularly useful if you want to see different variations of your initial concept. For example, if you generated an image of a landscape but want to explore other artistic interpretations of the same description, the Reload emoji will provide you with fresh options without changing your original prompt. V1 to V4 generates similar variations of the image with the corresponding number. The V1 to V4 buttons are for creating variations of your images, like the U1 to U4 buttons. Each corresponds to one of the 4 generated images. V1 generates variation of the first image. V2 generates variation of the second image. V3 generates variation of the third image. V4 generates variations of the fourth image. When you click one of these buttons, Midjourney produces new images that are similar to the selected one. This is great for refining your ideas and exploring subtle differences in your style or composition. Strong vary and subtle vary. Regenerate options with strong or subtle variations. The Very Strong and Very Subtle buttons offer 2 different ways to modify your images. Very Strong. This button creates new options with significant changes from the original image. Use this when you want to see a bold new take on your initial concept. Very subtle, this button generates new options with only minor tweaks. It's ideal for making small adjustments and fine-tuning details. Vary region. Select a specific region of the image to change. The Vary region button allows you to select a specific area of your image to modify. You can pinpoint a particular region and provide a new prompt to change just that part of the image. I will type silver necklace. Zoom out. Zoom out the image by 2 times, 1.5 times, or a custom amount. The zoom out button is used to zoom out from your image, providing a broader view. You can zoom out by 2 times, 1.5 times, or choose a custom zoom level. This feature is helpful for expanding the context of your image, allowing you to add more elements or see your subject in a wider setting. First, we'll try zoom out by 2 times. Now we can see the picture turned into a wider view. I like the first picture, so I will click U1. Then we'll vary a region a bit to make some change. Let me add some butterflies here. Try by yourself adding more elements in this picture generated. Arrow emoji. Increase the image size in a specific direction. The arrow emoji buttons allow you to increase the size of your image in specific directions. You can use these buttons to expand your image upward. Downward. Leftward. Or rightward. This feature is particularly useful when you want to add more space or elements in a particular direction, while keeping the rest of the image intact. Heart icon. Favorite an image, making it accessible from the Midjourney web. The heart icon lets you favorite an image. When you click this button, the image is saved to your favorites, making it easy to access later on the Midjourney web interface. This is a great way to keep track of your favorites' creations and revisit them whenever you want. Web button. Open your image on the Midjourney website. This feature is handy for sharing your creations, exploring additional options, and managing your images in a more comprehensive interface. Conclusion. Understanding these buttons and their features will greatly enhance your ability to create and refine images in Midjourney. Experiment with each one to see how they can help you achieve your desired results. Advanced features. In this section, we'll explore some advanced features in Midjourney that can significantly enhance your creative process. One exciting capability is the ability to include celebrity faces in your images. For instance, you can generate images featuring well-known personalities like Tom Holland or Timothée Chalamet, adding a unique and recognizable touch to your creations. Here's an example prompt. Tom Holland as a medieval knight standing on a battlefield. Midjourney also provides advanced variables that give you more control over the composition of your images. These variables allow you to fine-tune various aspects of your creation, such as the style, composition, and medium of the image. First, style of the image. You can choose from a variety of styles to give your images a specific look and feel. Here are some examples. Retro generates an image with a vintage aesthetic. Example prompt. Retro style diner with neon lights and classic cars. Artistic focuses on a more expressive and creative depiction. Example prompt. Artistic portrait of a woman with abstract brush strokes. Anime creates images in the style of Japanese anime. Example prompt. Anime character in the futuristic city. Disney produces images with the charming and whimsical style of Disney animations. Example prompt. Disney-style princess in an enchanted forest. Punk reflects the edgy and rebellious punk aesthetic. Example prompt. Punk rocker performing on stage with a crowd. Second, composition. How should the image look like? Composition determines the perspective and framing of your image. Here are some composition types. Wide shot captures a broad view of the scene. Example prompt. Wide shot of a bustling cityscape at dusk. For body, Shows the entire body of the subject. Example prompt: full body portrait of a dancer mid-performance. Close-up focuses on a close-up view of the subject. Example prompt: close-up of a cat face with detailed fur texture. Aerial takes a high-angle view from above. Example prompt: aerial view of a lush green forest. Bird's eye, similar to aerial, but directly overhead. Example prompt: bird's eye view of a maze in a garden. Low angle captures the subject from a low perspective looking up. Example prompt: low angle shot of a skyscraper against the sky. Medium, how the image is made. The medium determines the artistic method used to create the image. Here are some options. Sketch creates an image that looks like a hand-drawn sketch. Example prompt: sketch of a classic car with detailed shading. Film still looks like a frame from a movie. Example prompt: film still of a dramatic scene. Screen grab mimics a screenshot from a digital screen. Example prompt: screen grab of a video game character in action. Normal photo produces a realistic photograph. Example prompt: normal photo of a sunset over the ocean. Sculpture represent the subject as a three-dimensional sculpture. Example prompt: sculpture of a mythical dragon in a museum. Painting creates an image in a style of a painting. Example prompt: painting of a serene landscape with mountains and lakes. Illustration produces a detailed and artistic illustration. Example prompt: illustration of a fantasy hero with a sword and shield. By mastering these advanced features and variables, you can significantly enhance your quality and creativity of your images in Midjourney. As we wrap up this lecture, let's review the powerful features and tools that Midjourney offers, enabling you to create stunning and unique images. Throughout this session, we've explored various aspects of Midjourney that allow you to push the boundaries of creativity. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned and see some new examples of prompts you can use. Key features. First, celebrity faces. This feature can make your work more relatable. Example prompt: Timothée Chalamet in a steampunk universe, piloting an airship. Second, styles. Choosing the right style can set the mood and tone of your image. Whether you're aiming for a nostalgic feel or a modern twist, Midjourney offers a variety of styles to suit your vision. Example prompt: retro-style living room with vintage furniture and decor. Anime character exploring a mystical forest filled with glowing creatures. Third, composition. Composition helps frame your subject and guides how your image is perceived. From wide shots that capture an entire scene to close-ups that highlights details, composition is crucial in storytelling. Example prompt: wide shot of a futuristic city skyline at sunrise. Close-up of a butterfly resting on a flower with dewdrops. Fourth, medium. The medium you choose can drastically change the perception of your image. Whether it's a sketch or a painting, each medium offers a different texture and depth. Example prompt: sketch of a Persian street scene with cafes. Painting of a lakeside cabin surrounded by autumn trees. Advanced features. We also explored how you can fine-tune your images with advanced features such as prompt variations, upscaling, and remixing. These tools give you greater control over your output. Example prompt using variation. Vary the style of a cyberpunk cityscape to explore different architecture designs. Upscale a fantasy landscape of a dragon soaring over a medieval kingdom. Bringing it all together. By combining these features, you can create truly unique and personalized images that reflects your artistic vision. Remember, the key to mastering Midjourney is experimentation. Try different combination of styles, compositions, and mediums to see what resonates with you. Artistic full-body portrait of a warrior, created as a digital painting, using a low-angle shot to emphasize power and strength. Illustration of a whimsical garden with a fairy tale creatures in a Disney style with a bird's eye view to capture the entire magical landscape. In this session on advanced prompts in Midjourney, we'll explore how to craft detailed prompts that fully utilize the capabilities of Midjourney. Whether you're looking to capture a vivid fantasy landscape or an intense historical scene, the right prompt can bring your vision to life. Let's dive in and see how you can take your creativity to the next level with these advanced prompts. First, fantasy landscape. A retro-style painting of a lush fantasy landscape with floating island and cascading waterfalls, viewed from a bird's eye perspective, featuring a glowing sunset in the background. Second, sci-fi cityscape. White shot from a futuristic cyberpunk cityscape at night, illuminated by neon lights and holograms, with flying cars drifting through the sky, rendered as a digital illustration. Third, mythical creature. Close-up of a dragon with iridescent scales, portrayed in an anime style, set against the starry night sky, capturing the creature's piercing eyes and majestic presence. Fourth, historical battle scene. An epic low-angle film still of a historical battle scene featuring knights and archers in a medieval setting, with dust and fire in the air, emphasizing the chaos and heroism of the moment. Fifth, dreamlike forest. A Disney-style illustration of an enchanted forest at dawn, with whimsical creatures and luminescent flowers, creating a magical atmosphere from an aerial perspective. Sixth, steampunk adventure. Full-body portrait of a steampunk adventurer with intricate gadgets and a mechanical arm, posed confidently in a bustling Victorian city street, depicted as a high-contrast black and white sketch. Seventh, abstract expression. An artistic representation of an emotional journey using vibrant colors and abstract shapes, capturing the essence of joy and turmoil, styled as a modern art painting. Eighth, underwater fantasy. A wide-angle shot of an underwater kingdom with mermaids and coral palaces, depicted in a realistic photographic style, highlighting the intricate details of marine life and the play of light through the water. These prompts are designed to inspire creativity and take full advantage of Midjourney's capabilities to produce complex and engaging images. Thank you for joining this lecture on Midjourney. Third, using Midjourney in Discord. There are three primary ways to use Midjourney within Discord, each with its own pros and cons. You can also start Midjourney by using its official server. The pros of using Midjourney's official server is that you can start using Midjourney without the need to create your own server. There's a community to help you if you run into issues, and you can get inspiration from other users' prompts. The con is your creation can quickly get lost in the high volume of images generated by other users. Direct messaging with Midjourney bot. I recommend you to use this method. The pros of this method is that your chat is private with only your images being displayed. And the cons is that there's limited direct support if you encounter problems. I will cover everything from generating basic photos, expanding your canvas, the imprinting and remixing features to get the perfect images, and all the other features in Midjourney.